Savage Gang? It's your boy Dun Beezy, and today I am back with another tutorial. Boom. So today we're going to be talking about some different ways to do a really common move that has a lot of different names. I've heard it called the V-walk, I've heard it called the crab walk, I've heard it called Tic Tacs, and I'm going to be using all of those today. Well, anyway, before we get into the video, if you like my content, you like my tutorials, you want to see me do more, please like, please subscribe, please comment down below. I would love to see you join the Savage Gang. Anyway, let's get into it. Ready to catch that one. Get into it. I need to start using the JB drops. JB legacy. What's your favorite JB song? Comment that down below. I'm trying to figure out all y'all hot JB mixes. So the first Tic Tac variation, you're gonna be pushing your feet out and then in, and then out and then in, and then out and then in. This is one of my go-tos. This is a very easy one. And one of the reasons why I'm doing a Tic Tac variation video is because as a jam skater, this is going to be your bread and butter move. Your fat wheels make it hard for you to do footwork. It's easier to move in the V-walk, in the Tic Tac formation on jam skates. What I like to focus on is making sure that I'm smiling, making sure that I'm giving face here. And I also like to focus on making sure that my back is straight, because you can hunch over and that can take away from the move. The next move is going to be very similar to the first one, but you're going to come out, in, and then you're going to turn your body 90 degrees into the left or to the right, and then you're going to push your feet out and then in again. And then when you get back, you're going to turn your body back 90 degrees to the right, so you're back forward. You're going to push your feet out, and then you're going to pull them back in, and then you're going to turn your body 90 degrees to the left and push your feet out and push them back in. I did it this way just to show you a real cool way and a real easy way to remember the whole thing, but you could go right 2 times and then go left once, or you could change it up however you want. But the idea is to be able to do put your feet out, put them back in, turn, and then do it in another direction. Make sure you remember the math, because you don't want to be turning all willy-nilly. Let's move on. The next Tic Tac, the next Tic Tac, the next Tic Tac.
Hey man, what's your business, man?
The next Tic Tac comes to us from the JB Bootcamp. If you watch an old school JB video, you're gonna see some people hit this one. You put one toe down, let's say we put our left toe down, and then we're gonna push out. The first move is out, and then we're gonna tee it back in. When we get to the middle, we're gonna bring our feet to the W, and then we're gonna bring our feet in from actually the outside V to the inside, and then we're gonna come on our toe, and we're gonna push out again. And then we're gonna come to the middle, out, in, out, in. It's really important that your first one is out, and I like to make mine look like something because I like to start, yeah. And the next one is really similar to the first one, but you're gonna put your feet out, and when you get your feet to the middle, instead of just pushing them in, you're gonna come onto your toe, and you're gonna come onto your heel. So out, toe heel, out, toe heel, out, toe heel. And for this, I just want to make sure that it's clean. It's really easy to look really sloppy like this. It's really easy to not be able to balance on your toe and heel. So you want to make that look really clean. And finally, the last move is really similar to the first move, but there's a very big distinction. You're going to come out. You know, on the fourth move, you came onto your toe and heel. This time, you're going to come onto your toe and heel, but this time you're going to rotate your body 90 degrees to your left, and you're gonna stand on this toe, this heel, and this toe. So you're gonna turn, toe heel, and then you're gonna push. Then you're gonna put your feet down. You're gonna press them out. You're gonna turn again. So you're facing this way. You put your feet down. Then go out. You bring them back in. You turn another 90 degrees, and you press your feet out. And just like you did the first time, you rotate 90 degrees, and you get onto your front heel and your back toe. And then you turn back, and then you press your feet in. You're gonna turn 90 to the front, come push your feet to the outside, and once again, you're gonna turn, rotate 90 degrees. And you're gonna rotate onto your heel, and you're gonna rotate onto your toe. You can do this in either direction, but it's just the same idea. Just a really, really cool way to pivot. The most important thing is that you just look stable, standing on that toe and standing on that heel. That is all 5 of my Tik Tok variations. Woo! If you have any questions, make sure you comment those down below. If you want to talk to me, hit me up on Instagram. I'll talk to you about a move. I can talk you through some stuff. If you send me a video, I can give you tips on the spot. Or if you like the video, please like, please subscribe, please comment down below anything else you want me to teach you. Well, till next time, adios, Savage Gang.